Hey everyone, it's Adriana and Karen from Elite Carolinas Group at eXp Realty, and we are here with Amber Mancino from Cross Country Mortgage, who's going to share some updates with us today.
Yes, thank you so much for having me.
Amber, so we understand that there's been some federal guidelines that have changed recently with the loan limits. So maybe you can explain to our viewers today of what those are and talk a little bit about the conforming and non-conforming loans.
Absolutely. I'm
Great.
happy to be here and share
Great.
that information with you guys today. So basically each year Fannie and Freddie increase the loan limits for each individual state, and this year it's very exciting because they actually increased the conforming loan limit to $766,550.
And what was it before?
So it was $726,000.
Oh, wow.
So it was a $40,330 increase, which is incredible. What this means is that the conforming loan limits meet Fannie and Freddie Mac guidelines. So it's
Okay.
going to be a much easier process
Mhm.
versus a jumbo loan, which is considered a non-conforming loan.
Okay. So if they would have went before over the lower limit, then they would have had to go into a secondary or a jumbo.
Yeah, and
Okay.
that just means that it doesn't meet those Fannie and Freddie Mac guidelines, which can make it a little bit more difficult for a buyer. Just not the best terms. They're going to have a little bit higher interest rate, and maybe it could be a more difficult process getting pre-approved versus being within those conforming loan limits.
Right, so basically buyers now have more purchasing power under a conventional loan guideline, which is a lot easier to process and to qualify for. Is that right?
Absolutely. So we're very excited about it because year after year, the market continues to increase as far as purchase prices goes. So giving our buyers more power in this ever increasing market is really great.
Okay, so a conforming loan, explain that to everyone watching.
A conforming loan, basically, the definition is it just meets the Fannie and Freddie Mac guidelines.
And how about the credit score? Where is,
So for a conforming loan, you want to have a minimum credit score of a 640. And for a non-conforming jumbo loan, it can range. But again, it's just not going to be giving you the most favorable terms. I would say you would have to have a much higher credit score for a jumbo loan to get the best terms possible. So 720 and above.
So you've heard that, right? That's important information for buyers to know in this market. Here at Elite Carolinas Group at eXp Realty, we really want to educate our clients on what they need to know, what's happening in this market. So give us a call, reach out to us if you are thinking about purchasing and maybe you've thought about a home that is at a higher price range. Now you can qualify under a program that is more traditional. You don't need to have as a difficult type of criteria
Yes.
to under a jumbo product. So here at Elite Carolinas Group, we partner with some amazing lenders who are knowledgeable, who are up to date on any changes, and who really give our clients the best opportunities for home purchasing. So reach out to us. That's what we're here for, licensed in North and South Carolina. Thank you so much, Amber.
Of course,
Thank
thank you
you.
for having me.